In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your business portfolio using the Meta Business Suite. This process is straightforward, but it's crucial to approach it carefully as it involves removing important data permanently from your business account. If you're edge certain about this decision, let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to access the settings within the Meta Business Suite. To do this, open your Meta Business Suite, which is the central hub for managing your business's presence on Facebook and Instagram. Once you're in, look towards the bottom of the navigation panel on the left to find the Settings option. This area is specifically designed to give you control over various aspects of your business account, so it's quite handy. When you click on Settings, a new page will open with a range of options for you to choose from. You'll want to direct your attention to the section labeled Business Info. Just click on that. The Business Info section contains all the essential details and actions related to your business account, so it's where we can handle significant changes like deletions. Now, look closely for the option that says Permanently Delete Business. This option should be approached with caution, as it will remove your business portfolio from the Meta platform entirely. Before you proceed, take a moment to ensure you've saved any necessary information elsewhere, like contact details or business documentation you might need in the future. After you select Permanently Delete Business, the platform will guide you through a series of on-screen instructions. This step is important because it provides an opportunity to verify that you truly want to delete your business profile. Be prepared to confirm your decision a couple of times. These prompts are there to safeguard against any accidental deletions. Typically, you might need to re-enter your password or complete some security checks to confirm your identity. It's part of the protocol to make sure the process is fully authorized. As you complete these steps, keep in mind that this action cannot be undone. Once you confirm the deletion, all data associated with your business profile will be removed and will no longer be recoverable. If there's anything you might want to retrieve later, take this as a reminder to save your data elsewhere before you finalize. That's it. You're all set. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated through deleting a business portfolio using the Meta Business Suite. Always remember, it's important to double-check each step, ensuring that this irreversible action aligns with your business goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been as straightforward and helpful as possible.